Hello, my people. How are we doing? Hope we are doing great and awesome. So, AI is taking over, right? And there is a lot of almost every product that we explore right now or we tend to use, right? AI is one of the part, right, in that particular product. Currently, AI is working as a feature, right? Where let's say we are designing in Figma, right, or some other platform, right? So we can ask the AI to create some kind of uh, generic design or some with a specific design, right, that we have either on Figma or on some other platform, right, and then we can import that to our design tool. But going forward, right, this won't be just the thing, right? In most of the products, right, that we are currently using, and not just the design products I'm talking about, so it's almost in every product, right, the AI will be something that will not just be a feature, right? It, like search is a feature, right? Currently AI is a feature. Tomorrow, or like after, within that this particular year, or probably in just 2 years, right, AI will be that one feature with which all the other feature of the app will be connected. Let's say, let me give you an example. Let's say today you want to create okay, so let me just give you an example. It's e-commerce industry I love a lot. Every example that I come up with, it's around that. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but let's say it's an e-commerce thing, right, and you want to right now. So what we, let's understand what we are doing currently, right? The behavior, as a user behavior, what is that? So we open up an app, we search the thing, and then we get the result, and then we get some filter, do some filter for the ratings, for the price, for XYZ thing, and then we come up, then we start opening up all those products, right, from the list. But what will happen probably in this particular year or maybe next year, right? We will ask AI, right, to show us a product which is ranged between, my particular range is this. You mentioned that show me only those products which are having a rating of this much and have been rated recently or have been rated by 200 or 300 people, right? And there is and this particular feature that I want, mandatorily I want, and this is a good to have thing. All those kind of thing, right? All these particular thing will be in searching for product, right? Will be in the shopping list, right? Show me the list. Show me the product that I have added recently in my shopping list. Tell me the product uh, that I have saved for this particular reason, right? Lot of options are endless, right? There is, so what I'm trying to say is that AI is not just a feature. It will be that feature, that primary feature of the app with which all the other feature will be connected. And right now, if you have to build a product, right, that is based on internet, AI is something that you have to consider. Maybe for this coming 1 year you can just take a break, that you will initiate the AI thing later on, but that ultimately has to be built there. If so, now this is a warning for those people who were thinking of to launch some kind of a product and they were just delaying for XYZ reason. And that's an obvious thing, right? We tend to think that the product is still not complete, it has to be a perfect state and all those things. So if you are working on a product and currently there is no budget for you to add in AI right now at this particular time, you can take a pause for that and just launch your product as quick as you can. Because once AI is everywhere, it, your product without an AI will be obsolete, right? Nobody will be using it. Nobody. Why? Because AI is currently making up the things easy and at the same time it is making us lazy, right? So if it's lack, if your product lacks AI, launch it right now. Trust me, this is the bestest time for you to launch if the product lacks AI. If it AI is a primary part of it, you can still evolve it, but ultimately you got to be launching it quick. You should launch quick with bare minimum things, with especially the minimum viable product that we know that this is the primary thing or the solution that we are solving, right? If that particular thing is done, you got to launch it. Launch it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.